Some of you guys have been asking me down in the comments to show you exactly what I'm doing to get free traffic to most of the affiliate offers that I'm promoting myself. And so in today's video, I have decided to do exactly that. Most of the times I'm showing you exactly what to sell or promote to get paid first, and then I'm showing you some traffic sources that you can use to promote that. But in this video, we are going to do things a little bit different. I'm going to show you how to start building your own audience completely from scratch, and then I'm going to show you how to leverage this audience to actually make some money with it. Because in today's world, audience is everything, and the more people you have watching you, the more money you can make if you're going to offer them something. But first and foremost, I'm going to warn you guys, because this is not some get-rich-quick scheme. This is not a tutorial how to get 10,000 million views in the next 30 minutes. This method actually requires some work, time, and dedication, because first, you're not going to see that much results. But if you keep being consistent with doing this, over time you can build literally unlimited source of free traffic. And if you have some experience with affiliate marketing, you can use this traffic to actually make some pretty decent money. So just quickly make sure to smash the like button under this video to help me with the YouTube algorithm, and also to stay tuned for more money making content. Just subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, so as soon as I release a brand new money making video, I can notify you immediately and you get to watch it right away. So first of all, I'm going to show you some examples, real life examples, that this is something that's actually working for other people. And in this day and age, there's no better way to reach wide audience than using short format content. Now probably you have heard of this website right here that's called TikTok. This is like the #1 platform out there hosting short format content. And as you can see right here, for example, this channel right here has over 1.8 million followers. And what this person did to create that many followers is just post these simple videos that requires just a couple of minutes to actually create. And I'm going to show you how to do that completely for free in just a couple of seconds. But if you take a look at this, for example, a couple of these videos have literally blown up into millions of views. This one right here is 3.9 million views, and this one right next to it 3.2 million views. Now some of these are not doing that great. They're getting just a couple thousand views. For example, this one has not even 5,000 views. Overall, you can see that this channel has such an engagement. The probability of making a sale if you're going to offer something to this audience is almost 100%. And as you can see, these videos are not even that hard to create. For example, if I'm going to play this one, which has over 1 million views, literally over 1 million people has seen this video. And as you can see right here, it's playing and it's not that complicated. It's pretty much just like a footage of something for the eye, and there's these motivational quotes being played right here. Now these videos are usually just a couple of seconds long. For example, this one, you can see it's 22 seconds long. And if you take a look at this channel, pretty much everything that's required to reach this amount of people is keep posting consistently. You can see there's literally dozens of videos posted on this channel, and I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to scroll all the way to the first one that this person has posted on this TikTok channel. But pretty much you can see these videos are getting consistent views of couple thousand, couple hundreds of thousand to even millions. So this is not something that can be achieved easily, but once you're going to dedicate enough time and effort into creating this, you have created something that's pretty valuable, because I'm going to show you how to monetize all these views completely for free. And because you have invested literally $0 into creating this viewership, there's no way you can lose money on this. Now if you have no idea how to create such a video yourself, and you're thinking you need some complicated software that you need to pay hundreds of dollars for, I'm going to completely bust that myth in today's video, because I'm going to show you how to set up an account just like this in a couple of minutes of work every day. And for those of you who do not believe you can get an account like this yourself, I'm going to give you somewhere along the way in this video a secret sauce that you will need to be successful on TikTok, on Instagram, or on YouTube, or on any other short format content platform. And all you have to do is just take that advice, apply time to it, and over time you can get even more followers than this person has right now. So to move ahead, first of all, what you need to create such a viewership is create a content. And to create such content, you need just two things and put them together. First of all, you need some stock footage. Now for that, what you can do is just go to Google and search for a website like Pexels. Just hit search on that, and what you want to do is go to this exact website that's called pexels.com. This is like a free stock footage website where you can get images and videos of literally anything that you can think of. For example, if I'm going to search for some videos, you can see you get these high quality videos completely for free without investing a single cent into purchasing any of these, that you can use to create such content. And if you take a look at this TikTok account, all they are doing is posting a video of nature or something from nature that's actually engaging to the eye. I mean, it's looking good pretty much. If you're going to take a look at this, for example, it's like a aerial shot of some lake between the mountains. And pretty much what you can do is go to Pexels and you want to search for something like lake in the mountains. Just hit search on that, and pretty much all you need to do is just go to the filters and you want to select orientation and vertical, because this is going to be a resolution of 9:16. That's a standard resolution for anything from these TikTok videos to YouTube shorts to Instagram reels. You want to be looking for these 9:16 videos. And as you can see right here, these shots may seem familiar to you, because this is probably one of the websites that the creator on TikTok is using using to get their footage. Now pretty much what you want to do is just grab yourself a video just like this. For example, let's go with this one. I like this one for some reason. So I'm just going to open it up, and as you can see right here, this is probably like 14 or 15 seconds long. This is like a good length for such a video. So I'm just going to download it to my computer just like that. And what you want to actually do is go ahead and grab yourself a couple of these, because one of the fastest way to get ahead in this method is to create these videos in bulk. And for that, if you have some additional clips ready to be edited the way I'm going to show you, you can save yourself some time and you can get this done very quickly and very effectively. Now pretty much once you download a bunch of these videos, what you want to do is go to a website where you can get a bunch of these motivational quotes that you can use as a text for this video. So it's going to be actually offering value in form of these motivational quotes. Now what you can do is pretty much just go to Google and you can search for something like, let's say 10 motivational quotes or something like that. Just hit search on that and you can go to any of these websites and grab yourself some motivational quote. But what I highly recommend, and it's much faster than scrolling through all these websites and looking for a specific quote, is go to this website right here that's going to generate motivational quotes on demand based on a certain niche. Now pretty much if you're going to use ChatGPT for this, what you want to do is go to this bar where you can ask it to create something for you. And what I would do is just write there something like, hey, please write me a 5 making money themed motivational quotes. Just let ChatGPT do its thing, and as you can see right here, in just a couple of seconds, and pretty much you can use these in your own videos. Now once you get your stock footage and your motivational quotes, what you want to do is go to canva.com, and in this search bar you want to type in something like TikTok video. Hit search on that, select create a blank TikTok video, and once you get to this editor, all you need to do now is just upload the stock footage that you downloaded from Pexels. Once you upload it to Canva, what you want to do is stretch it all across this canvas so it's going to be right size of a TikTok video. What you can actually do is overstretch it a little bit if you want your focus to be on a specific part of this video. For example, I want my focus to be on this side, so I'm just going to stretch it just like this. And once you get that done, what you want to do is go to this timeline and you want to cut this video into multiple parts. Now pretty much how many parts of this video you need to cut, you can judge by going to ChatGPT and selecting one of the quotes that you want to go with. For example, if I'm going to go with this first one that says money is a tool with the right mindset and skills, you can use it to create a life of abundance and impact, and it's quote by Tony Robbins. Now pretty much you can see this first quote can be divided into 3 parts. So first is going to be money is a tool, second part is going to be with the right mindset and skills, and the third part is going to be this remainder of the sentence along with the name of the author. So for that reason, I'm going to go to Canva and cut this video into 3 parts, and each of them is going to be like 2 or 3 seconds long. So let's put a playhead to the 3-second mark, then just right click on it and select split page. Now I'm going to move it ahead just another 3 seconds, just like this. Just right click on it again, and then for the last part I'm going to position it to 9 seconds this time and also split this page. Now pretty much you can see right here that there's this remaining 5 seconds of this video at the end, and this is very important that you keep some video at the end free, and it's very important that you keep some video free at the end because we are going to be using this as well. But let's just not skip ahead, and what I'm going to do right now is select this first part of this video, go to this toolbar, select a text box, add a subheading to my video, and then pretty much just go back to ChatGPT and copy the part of this quote that you want to use. For example, this is going to be the first part in my video. I'm going to paste it in there and it's going to look something like this, and this is not very catching to the eye. So pretty much I'm just going to select this entire text, go up to effects, and actually what I'm going to do is replicate this exact style of text that this person is using. Now to do that, what I'm going to do is select this entire text, go up here into the effects and click on background. Now Canva is going to generate this background on this text, but as you can see right here, the color is not very matching to the background. So for that reason, I'm going to change it by changing its color to, let's say, black, just like that. Then I'm going to lower the transparency to something like, let's say 65, should work very well, just like that. And now you can see this text is not visible. For that, I'm just going to select this text again and change its color to, let's say, white, so it's going to stand out a little bit more. And also I'm not a huge fan of this font, so I'm just going to change the font into Montserrat Extra Bold, for example. I'm going with that one in this case. What you want to do then is just position the text and also make it a little bit larger just by stretching it a little bit out, and then I'm going to position it into the upwards section of this video, something like this. Then pretty much I'm going to select the second part of this video, do the exact same process, just go to ChatGPT, copy the second part of this code that I want to use, and it's going to be this one, paste it into Canva and customize it just like that, and also do that for the third part of the video. Add a subheading, go back to ChatGPT, copy the remainder of this quote, customize and position it. Now pretty much this remainder of the video is still blank, as you can can see right here. And one of the ways that you can actually improve your chances of making money using this free viral traffic, if you're going to go to TikTok and play this video, for example, you will notice that it's missing something. If you're going to play it all the way through, you can see that there's this motivational quote playing in front of waves hitting a cliff, but in the end you can see it's missing something. So it's going to show just a motivational quote without a call to action. That's one of the reasons why we are going to add call to action into our video, and you can do that just by placing another subheading on your video. And all you need to do right now is just type in there something like this. For example, learn about the right mindset to make money. Check the link in bio, to direct the attention of whoever is going to watch this short video to somewhere where you actually want it. For example, in this case, you can see that this person, if you're going to take a look at their account, they have no outside link in their bio. You can see that this account does not have any outside link in their bio. All they have right here is just a short description with a call to action to actually follow this TikTok account. What you can do instead is put a link tree into your bio that's going to divert the attention of whoever's watching the video somewhere where you actually want it, but I'm going to show you how to do that in just a couple of seconds. So pretty much to finish this video, what you want to do is actually just go to share and download this video to your computer as an MP4. Once the download process gets finished, what you want to actually do is go ahead and create a bunch of these videos. Once you build a muscle memory for this process, it will take literally just a minute or two to create such a video. All you need to do is just hop to Pexels, pick out a footage that you want to use with this, download it real quick, then just hop to Canva, upload it, cut it into 3 or 4 parts, go to ChatGPT, ask it to write you some motivational quotes, copy and paste them, customize them, and done. Effectively, you can create 5 videos in like 15 minutes, and that's all you need to do to make this work. Pretty much the key ingredient that you need to create such a successful account on TikTok or on Instagram or YouTube or any other platform is to do this consistently. Because as you can see, this person, for example, let's say they upload 4 videos every day, they've been doing this for quite some time by uploading all these videos, and that's the entire reason why they have such a viewership, because they've been uploading consistently. The algorithm has noticed that they are engaging viewers and keeping them on the platform, and that way started promoting their videos so they can get more viewers, and on goes this snowball effect. So pretty much all you need to do is just keep posting consistently, and over time slowly you will build a huge audience. Now I'm going to show you a couple of methods that you can use to monetize this audience that you're going to build over time. And pretty much if you're going to Google and you're going to ask it how much does TikTok pay per 1,000 views, you can see that TikTok pays anywhere between 2 to 4 cents for every 1,000 views of your video. Now if you're going to do math on that real quick, you can see some of these videos are getting millions of views. For example, this one has 3 million, this one has 5.2 million, another 3 million, 4.1 million, and pretty much is taking into account all these videos with smaller viewership just as well. So for every 1,000 views you can make 4 cents. So for every 1,000 views you can get paid 2 or 4 cents. And as you can see right here, for example, this video right here has a little over 3 million views. If you are going to do math on that real quick, that's 3 million divided by 1,000 equals 3,000 times you can get paid 2 to 4 cents. Now if you're going to multiply it by 4 cents, you can actually see that the single video has made over $112. This single video with 3.1 million views to the creator who created it, and as you have seen before, it takes literally a couple of minutes to create. All you need to do is actually just get the viewership to your videos, and over time you can make some money just by creating these videos. Now one of the reasons why this is so powerful is because once you create these videos, you can upload them to TikTok, but you can also do the same exact thing for YouTube or Instagram. So for example, if I'm going to Google how much YouTube Shorts are paying for 1,000 views, you can see they're paying anywhere between 4 to 6 cents. And actually, if you didn't know this before, since March 2023, YouTube Shorts are monetized. So if you're going to be posting these short videos to TikTok, there's no reason why you shouldn't post it to YouTube Shorts. You can see YouTube Shorts are getting insane amount of viewers as well. Now these are just likes on this short, the viewership is actually a lot higher, but if this video has gotten over 87,000 likes, imagine how many views have actually this YouTube short got. And because you have already created this video for TikTok, you can upload it to YouTube as well and actually make double the money that you will be making just from YouTube. So for example, let's say you're going to make double just by posting it to YouTube and TikTok, and then actually double that if you're going to be posting it to Instagram and Facebook Shorts just as well, you can make well over $400 just by creating one of these simple videos. It's going to actually take some work and time to make that much money off one single video, because if you're going to create just one and post it once, you're not going to see any results at all. But if you're going to keep consistent with it, if you're going to post a couple of these videos every day, just as one of these channels, for example this one does, over time you're looking at a pretty nice payout. Now that is just one of the ways how you can make money with this short format content. Another good way to make money with this is if you're going to search for a website, for example like Linktree, you're going to sign up for your account, you can actually create one of these link in bio websites and you can embed that with any affiliate offer. So as I was saying before, the entire reason why you put this call to action into your videos is actually to direct people into your bio. And for example, this account does not have Linktree in their bio, but if you're going to create Linktree completely for free, embedded with affiliate links either from ClickBank or Digistore24 or any other affiliate marketplace, you can actually direct huge amounts of attention towards this Linktree that you're going to create. And if you're going to make it like a themed affiliate offer, for example, in this video we were creating money-making motivational quotes. If you're going to put an affiliate offer that has something to do with self-help or actually how to make money into the Linktree and into your bio, there's huge chance here that you're going to make some sales. And that's only money you're going to be making on top of already getting paid revenue from posting this to the website. Now, actually, one of the reasons why you have to be consistent with this is because, for example, if you're going to be uploading YouTube shorts, first of all, in order to get paid revenue from your shorts, you need to get 1,000 subscribers and 10 million public YouTube shorts views in the last 90 days. Now, pretty much this is something achievable if you're going to be consistent with it and post a couple of these YouTube shorts or TikToks every single day, and that way they will keep the audience engaged. And that's it for today, guys. This is how easy it is to actually start building huge audience just by creating these short format videos. And because they are so easy to create, you can literally do this just in a couple of minutes per day, and over time this is going to have huge effect. Now, if you want to learn how I'm making over $6,000 per month with affiliate marketing without showing my face anywhere on the internet and without using this YouTube channel, just go to the first link in the video description and check out the short introduction that I prepared for my one-on-one coaching program. And if you feel like this is something that you want to do, just apply using the link below, and I hope to see you there.